Hey everyone, I decided to do my media analysis this week on Joe Biden and his universal health care. For context, it's basically plans to protect the Affordable Care Act and build on it in order to give Americans more choices, reducing health care costs, and less complicated to navigate. The complexity of this is giving all Americans access to affordable health insurance, no stress to the affordability and the quality of the healthcare, and rights for everyone. It's not just a privilege. I think the voices in this is Joe Biden and Barack Obama who started this, and Americans as well. The authenticity is trying to help everyone in America, and I do believe it displays excellent journalism. Even if someone doesn't agree, there's ideas and demonstration of excellent journalism. When I go back and compare what's going on, I think that traditionalists from 1992 to 1945 gives them opportunity they did not have. Most traditionalists were veterans. Some veterans experienced PTSD from war. Some traditionalists experienced dementia, and in worse situations, Alzheimer's. Universal health care can provide the medical needs they deserve if they can't afford them. Millennials, Generation Z, and Generation Alpha are in the range of anyone from 23 to 38, and then Generation Z is 8 to 23, and Generation Alpha is 2012 until beyond. The universal health care can benefit these men and women for a long time because they're a part of younger generations. And then lastly, I'm Canadian and Canada has Medicare. The health insurance is provided across all 13 provinces and territories. Each has its own insurance plan and receives cash assistance from the federal government on a per capita basis. They've had this universal health care since 1966, and it took 6 years to accomplish, and I think that they've been pretty successful with it. So that's just some extra background information.